Right now I'm going to record our entire conversation.
Record it.
Right now we've both been pulled over for no violation of any vehicle code, so he's violating our Fourth Amendment rights by detaining us illegally. I'm going to work on getting that, sir.
I need your driver's license.
There's also been two other motorcycles have just gone by that he decided not to stop. So he's enforcing the law illegally. Ridiculous. I did nothing wrong. I was sharing a lane completely within the law, within the bounds of the law. You were completely within the lines.
Sharing the lane.
Completely, you were sharing the lane, just like this motorcycle right now that's coming down the lane. Both of them.
Right on the right side.
These two, both of them, on the right-hand side of cars. So they're not violating vehicle code right now, right? They're not violating a vehicle code. So what about him? You're not going to pull him over? He's not violating a vehicle code?
Well, sit on your bike.
He's not violating a vehicle code?
I'm giving you lawful order. Sit on your bike.
So
Sit on your bike.
I'm supposed to be lawful?
Sit on your bike.
Even though you've illegally detained us? We not even violated any vehicle code?
Sit on your bike.
We haven't violated any vehicle code. We haven't violated any vehicle code, and he's pulled us over. He's detained us illegally. Violation of the Fourth Amendment. You realize this is a violation of the Fourth Amendment, right?
I need your driver's license. Plenty of time. I need your driver's license, registration, insurance.
I'm working on it.
Now working on you on your phone.
Yeah, I am. You don't see me. I have it right here in my hand. I have to pull stuff
Doing
out.
a whole lot of talking, whole lot of recording, whole lot
Yeah,
of
it's
walking
called
around.
the First Amendment right, where I get to say whatever I'd like to say.
You can say whatever you want, but I need your driver's license, registration, insurance. I've asked you 10 times already.
And I'm working on it.
You're negative. You're working on it.
You detained me, so I have plenty of time to be patient with you. You can be patient with me. Here's my license slip.
Still live in Livermore?
Yes, I do, sir. I didn't deploy twice to Iraq to have my amendment rights violated. So here's my insurance. And my registration. Oh, how about that one? He's completely outside the lines. Now that's a violation.
No, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, well then why are you pulling over people that haven't violated?
Give me your registration. Holy smokes, I'm not asking for a whole lot here.
Well, all I'm asking for is to have my rights not be violated.
Look, you're not even getting a ticket. I'm just telling you, don't pass on the right.
I'm not violating the law. I'm not violating the law.
I stopped you because you're pulling.
Hold on. Just hold on. Okay, let's calm down. Let's calm down.
No, you need to calm down.
No, we both need to
I'm over here.
We both
trying to
need
do
to
my
calm down,
job.
sir.
I stop you,
Sir,
and you're
are you
freaking
doing
yelling
your
at
job? Are you supposed to Are you supposed to detain people if they have not violated a law?
You can't pass on the right. That's the bottom line.
Did I violate a vehicle code?
Hey, you tell me.
I
Is it okay to pass on the right?
I wasn't passing. I was sharing a lane. There's
Negative.
a big difference.
There's one lane here.
That's called sharing a lane, sir.
There has to be more than one lane.
No, you don't have to have more than one lane. Show me the vehicle code that says that. Show me the vehicle code.
Geez.
There is no vehicle code that says that, sir. There is no vehicle code that says that. So you are detaining people for not violating any law. Completely against the Fourth Amendment. This is ridiculous. He had the time to jump out in the middle of traffic and stop me, but he lets 3 or 4 other vehicles go by doing the same exact thing. This is ridiculous. This officer claims that we've broken a law, but yet he won't cite which law it is that we've broken. You were completely under the speed limit. You didn't.
I went to the right, but I was still within the lanes.
Completely within the lanes, and your mirrors weren't hanging over or anything. What's your name?
Steven Reyes.
What was it?
Steven Reyes.
Steven Reyes? It's nice to meet you. My name's Matthew Marcus. So I'm assuming now he's trying to find a vehicle code to pull us over with, which is another violation of the Fourth Amendment. You're not allowed to pull somebody over for false pretenses and then choose to charge them with something else. That's another violation of the Fourth Amendment. This is such a travesty. We live in the United States of America and this is happening. This isn't supposed to happen. You're not supposed to have. We're on our way to work. So now they're on the phone because they can't figure out a vehicle code themselves. So now they're calling back to their office to find out what they can charge us with. So much for land of the free. Apparently, not in California. This is ridiculous. So you can't figure out the vehicle code that you're going to charge us with. And now you're on the phone. That guy right back there trying to get some direction. So let me get this straight. If you don't know what vehicle code and what law it is that you've broken, how can you pull somebody over for something that you don't understand what the law was in the first place? How does that work? What?
That's supposed to work that way.
Oh, but somehow it is. Somehow that's what's happening to us right now.
So,
Completely ridiculous. Hey, sir! Sir! Are you charging us with something? Can we be free to go if you're not going to charge us with something? If you're going to charge us with something, could you tell us what you're going to charge us with? Due to the Fourth Amendment, you're supposed to tell us what you're charging us with. Can you tell me what you're going to charge me with? Oh, so you don't know what you're going to charge me with, is that right? You don't know yet, right? You're looking it up? You're trying to figure out what you need to charge me with? That's another violation of the Fourth Amendment, sir. Ridiculous. Why the hell did I serve in the Army? Why did I sit there and go to Iraq twice? Why did I sit there and get shot at? Hey, sir! You see that? That's a combat action badge. You ever been shot at? You know what it's like? And for what? He did say that he wasn't going to give me a ticket, right? I heard that. It's recorded. When we were standing here arguing, he said, I'm not even going to give you a ticket. So he's lying now, because he's now going to go write a ticket, right? Huh?
it sounded like
So because I wasn't willing to just comply and let him detain me illegally, now I get a ticket. That makes sense. Not really. What the heck ever happened to this country? I just don't get it. What was that? completely within the law, detained against our Fourth Amendment rights, lied to, and now our lives get upended because now we have to fight it in the courts. These guys get to go home and end up with a pension. That sounds like the way the United States should work.
Okay, look. You're not getting a ticket. But
Okay.
I stopped you because you look like you're doing something unsafe. You can't pass on the right.
Okay.
Right, so that's why I stopped you.
That's a
Okay.
subjective opinion, and
There's
I
no-
respect that. I respect
If I
that.
want to, I can articulate it and I can cite you for it. But
What vehicle code would you cite me for under it, sir?
there is a vehicle code for it.
What is it? And
Passing
what is
the
it say?
right.
What is it?
It states that if you can't pass safely on the right, then it's a violation.
But I wasn't passing. I was sharing a lane.
That's why we're letting you go.
Oh, okay. So in other words, I wasn't in violation of the vehicle code.
That's what made the determination.
So okay, that's good. Thank you. I'm glad about that. The part that I'm really frustrated with is that I went to Iraq twice. I have a combat action badge, which means that I was shot at with mortars and rockets.
Sir.
All right, hold on. Let me finish my statement. All right, you've helped me here. I'm late to work. This poor man is late to work. You guys still getting paid. All right. So let me have my say. All right. I went to Iraq twice in defense of our Constitution, and I am now detained. You just admitted to me that I was not in violation of the vehicle code, so I did not violate any law. Yet we're still detained, which is a direct violation of the Fourth Amendment. The amendment that I went and fought for and my friends died for. That's why I'm so pissed off right now. This happens to me probably at least once a month, where a cop pulls me over for lane sharing, which is completely legal in the state of California, and I'm detained illegally. And there's other times that this happens all over the country, and I'm sick of it. If you guys are going to wear that badge, you guys are going to uphold the law, then do it. But don't detain people and violate their rights in the process. Now, can I be free to go?
You're free to go.
Let me grab the rest of your gear and
Just so you know, sir, you're not the only one in the military and went over to another country to fight.
I appreciate your service. Thank you. Can I shake your hand? I appreciate it. But do you understand my frustration then? At all? Does my frustration make any sense to you?
When I'm wearing this badge,
You have a certain role that you have to play. I understand that.
I have a certain role and responsibility for the safety of motorists in California. One of those roles is to investigate if something that what you did is safe or unsafe, and that's what we're allowed to do.
You're not to detain people when they haven't violated a law. That is against the Constitution.
Detention has to be reasonable, and in this situation, that detention is reasonable.
No, I would respectfully and completely disagree. And I think
right.
that had you guys cited us for what was going on here, there's no way it would have held up in court. So, I hope you guys are safe, and I hope that at least next time you at least maybe think about detaining people before they violated a vehicle code. I'm free to go?
You are free to go.
Later, Steven.